Now we're going to use a different tool for organizing pages. And in this case, just remember it's green. It literally says organize pages. It's on the right-hand side menu. If you don't see it there for some reason, you can always find them up there in the general tools. It looks like this. It's under create and edit menu. So I already have it here. So I'm going to use it from there. And you can see that all your pages here, right? And you can move them, click, drag, and reorder. You can delete them if you made a mistake. You can rotate them if needed. You can insert more pages here if you forgot in the previous step to insert something. That's a pretty straightforward way of organizing pages, reordering pages. Once you're finished, you just close this interface and you're back into your document.